Hey guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I managed to create this symmetrical model design with the help of collection instance. Collection instance is an essential feature of Blender in which you can create an instance of an object and manipulate many objects as they were one. You can use collection instance to create modular and symmetrical object without compromising on the memory. The design is composed of few models which I have created before, so I'm not going to recreate these, but for this tutorial I will use these models to compose a new design. So to use collection instance, first you need to make sure that your mesh is in the center of the world. Then go to the scene collection and press right mouse button and select new collection. Then click and drag and drop the selected mesh inside the collection. Then go to the Add tab and select Collection from Collection Instance. This will create an instance collection inside Scene Collection. Now you will need to add another collection and drag and drop this instance collection in the newly created collection. Then just slightly move the model from center to one of the sides. Then select the empty cross and rotate it slightly. Then press Ctrl D to duplicate, and while duplicating, press R. With Shift to rotate it, it will give you more control over precision. After that, you just need to press Shift R to repeat the previous function till it makes a round circle. Now if you move it, scale it or rotate it on Z-axis, the other instance will follow the original one. The useful thing about it is if you add more mesh to the original one by joining them, it will be also added to the other instance meshes. You can also duplicate it in the edit mode and move it to create more interesting design. In a similar manner, I have rotated the other meshes to create a new design. It also helps by not using a lot of memory, and you will not face lags while using it as compared to the array modifier. And that's pretty much about it. Hope it will help you to create new design or abstract. If you like my tutorial, support me on Patreon, where you will be able to get the project files that I have used in my tutorials. Thanks for watching.